channel. Before we start the video, please make sure to subscribe, like, and comment. For today's video, I'm going to show and teach you guys how to download YouTube videos for free.
Wow!
First, let's go to youtube.com and find the video you want to download. For me, I want to download Enhypen's Jake, Hisang, and Mickey's vlog. After that, you need to copy the link. Open a new tab. Then type loudtronics.com. And then paste the link on the blank and click search. And you will see these two options. If you want to download the sound of the video, click this button. But if you want to download the video, then click this button. I will click the download video button. After that, you will see these three columns. Click this if you want to download the video and audio. Click this if you want to download the video only, and this for audio only. I want the video to have a sound, so I will click this. Ta-da! The video starts downloading.
Wow.
You can see it here. The video contains 55 megabytes, so it might take a while. When the video finishes downloading, you can click this Show in Folder button and it will take you to the video. Yay! Thank you for watching, guys. I hope it helped you, and please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment what you want me to do on my next video. Bye, guys!